Hi, I'm Echoes of Wisdom, and welcome back to Echoes of Wisdom. In a world that moves faster every day, we often forget the power of slowing down. We confuse busyness with purpose and noise with progress. But what if the secret to a meaningful life is stillness? Today, let's explore how embracing stillness can transform your mind, your soul, and your entire life. Lao Tzu said, "Whoever knows contentment will always be content." Buddhism teaches, when the mind is still, the truth appears. Marcus Aurelius wrote, "Nowhere can man find a quieter retreat than in his own soul." Stillness isn't about escaping life, it's about returning to it more clearly. When we are constantly busy, our brain is stuck in fight or flight mode. But just a few minutes of stillness a day can change your brain. Meditation and quiet reflection increase gray matter for memory, learning, and empathy. Stillness lowers stress, improves decision-making, and boosts happiness. Here are 3 simple practices to invite stillness into your daily life. 1. 5-minute morning meditation. Focus only on your breath. 2. Digital detox. Turn off your phone or social media for 1 hour. 3. Silent walks. Walk without music or distractions. These moments reset your mind and reconnect you with life. When you slow down, you start to see what truly matters. You stop chasing what others expect and start living for what your soul needs. You realize life is not a race, it's a garden. Slowing down doesn't make you fall behind. It helps you move forward in the right direction. So take a breath, be still, because in the stillness, you might just find who you really are. Please like, comment, and subscribe to Echoes of Wisdom for more timeless lessons.